Hi YouTube. Okay, I'm back and I'm going to leave you with one last video for the day. U.S. District Court, U.S. District of Minnesota filed on 6/6. Okay, remember I just read to you the big memorandum that we sent that was on appeals, notice of appeals. The appeals letter was sent to the U.S. Court of Appeals, 8th Circuit. Okay, so it has been filed. Remember, I just want to point out a couple different things on this, okay? They keep saying the case is closed on 5/5/2023, and that was Blackwell's first judgment that he sent. However, since then, we have had 2 other judgments, and we have had our appeals filed. Okay, so here's what he sent us. He sent us another order in our federal case, okay? This time, he lists as defendants all of the same language and defendants that we listed in our original complaint, okay? And that's what we wanted, okay? That's how we stated it, so that's what we wanted. Also, Madison and Callis, who he previously said that the claims against them were dismissed, they are now listed. Callis and Madison are listed as defendants on this new order that Blackwell made on 6/5/23. Okay, it just keeps getting weirder. Listen to this, okay? Sorry, we have some shade here. I'm outside doing this. This matter is before the court on plaintiffs Michael David Loger and Wendy Ann Ackers' applications to proceed in forma pauperis on appeal. Remember, it wasn't just about our IFP applications. It was all 5 different things on appeal, which he did not mention the other 4 things. After review, the court concludes that both plaintiffs qualify financially for IFP status. The court also concludes that although it continues to believe that plaintiff's complaint was correctly dismissed, their appeal is not frivolous, as the U.S. Supreme Court has defined that term. Nice. Accordingly, plaintiffs' IFP applications are granted. Order, based on the foregoing and all of the files, records, and proceedings herein, it is hereby ordered that plaintiff's application to proceed in forma pauperis on appeal, documents numbers 23 through 24, are granted. Judge Jerry Blackwell. Okay, so our case is not frivolous. We're granted IFP status. Okay, but he did not mention the other part of the motions that we stated in our earlier thing. He has said nothing about his own disqualification or recusal. So, I wanted to show you the next letter that we got. Okay, it's not from the district court. By the way, here's our YouTube channel. Make sure you go there and check out all the different things that have been going on with us. It's documented over the last 3 years. Thank you for watching. Okay, so we get a letter from the clerk's office, Court of Appeals for the 8th Circuit, St. Paul, Minnesota, right? Okay, sweet. Open up the mail. We have a new appeals case file number. Okay, so this is the 3rd case file number on this case that we have. Okay, in this, it talks about that we need to send a brief. We need to make a legal brief. But here's where we send it. St. Louis, Missouri. That is the main office for the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals. So, people, we have it now in a 3rd court, and it's outside of Minnesota. Somebody outside of Minnesota is looking at this. Thank goodness. I hope that they can see through all the corruption that the state of Minnesota in all different agencies have been doing to us over and over again, continually, patterns of discrimination over years, from our criminal case all through our civil case as well. If there are any lawyers out there, we're hoping that they could grab onto this and just make some appeals for us, or, in our favor, as far as calling places, giving us some advice on anything that you see that is incorrect in this paperwork that we have shown you. We want the auditors to expose these corrupt individuals and hope that we can win our $1.5 million civil case against Morrison County Sheriff's Department at all. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Have a great day.